learning the ABCs. A is for airplane. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for alligator. B is for ball. B is for bear. B is for banana. B is for book. C is for cow. C is for coconut. C is for clementine. D is for door. D is for dinosaur. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E is for electric scooter. E is for eyes. F is for fox. F is for finger. F is for fish. G is for grapefruit. G is for guava. G is for granadilla. A is for hamster. H is for hornbill. H is for horse. I is for iguana. I is for ibex. I is for llama. J is for jackal. J is for jackfruit. J is for jackal. K is for kangaroo. K is for koala. K is for kiwi. L is for lemur. L is for leopard. L is for lion. M is for mouse. M is for monkey. M is for manatee. N is for narwhal. N is for nutria. N is for nightjar. O is for orangutan. O is for octopus. O is for ox. P is for penguin. P is for panda. P is for pelican. O is for quail. Q is for quokka. Q is for quoll. R is for rabbit. R is for rat. R is for rooster. S is for spider. S is for snake. S is for starfish. T is for turkey. T is for turtle. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella bird. U is for wakari. V is for vulture. V is for vampire bat. Is for wolf. W is for walrus. X is for xenops. X is for xenopus. Y is for yak. Y is for yellow baboon. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebrafish.